Hi, I'm Brett, and this is the second video of YouMayAsWell.com. I don't know if you've ever put peeps in a microwave before, but we're basically going to be doing that. We're going to be doing it with 4.5 pounds of them. 8 bags worth of these. These are the special Christmas type peeps, so they have red stuff on them. And that's what we're going to be doing today. First bag. Okay, good. Alright, so we got that. John, grab the fire extinguisher. Alright,
okay, place them on top in good viewing position.
Yeah, see, these are just getting warm. Just a little bit.
Put this back in.
Alright. Alright, I want you to notice how much higher it's gotten. In the last minute, it's gotten.
Something's happening to that marshmallow on top.
See, it's growing. It's getting so large.
Yeah, now it's getting a lot bigger.
It's getting
a lot
huge.
Faster.
When we start seeing smoke, we'll settle down.
To me, it smells a little bit like a s'more.
No, it smells like burn.
Come down from this direction.
Smells
There's
like
there's actually one touching the roof now.
Oh, yeah.
Do we have to stop it at 2? What about 1?
What?
What about 1?
Stop.
What about 1? What about 1? What about 1? What about 1?
Oh,
my God!
What happened?
I don't think it was going anywhere else after that. Wow.
Oh.
Wait, it's like squeeze.
Okay, shine it right on that.
When you get microwaves, there's a thing on there that says, "Do
Blah,
not
blah,
leave this thing on."
blah, blah, blah.
Oh, man.
That is
well,
awesome.
it definitely expanded.
Wow.
You can't drink it now. Oh wow. Dude.
Whoa.
Oh.
Hold on, yeah. Look at that. Wow.
Oh my gosh, it looks like gum.
Dude, we should make Rice Krispie treats.
Whoa.
Gross.
Dude, this is like the coolest thing. I've ever
Oh my
seen.
goodness.
Really?
Wow.
You can get a better shot of that burnt right there.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. Ew. Oh my god, that is so bad.
Huh. Yeah, that was on fire.
Oh my god.
Do you see this? It's just like molten.
Is the spatula gonna come out?
Oh my god, yes. Oh god, yes. This is the coolest thing ever.
The classic battle of man versus marshmallow. One man stands alone.
Dude, it's kind of
Wow.
Be impressed. I should have been a carny. Why am I in college? I feel like I'm wrangling something. Some weird animal.
Oh, it looks so weird.
Yeah.
All right. Wait,
Oh.
wait, you don't need to put it in yet.
Wrap it up
We
really
need a
nice.
picture.